Hey singers, we're gonna have some fun warming up our voices, working on our speed and control. Now, why is this important? Well, imagine being able to sing incredible vocal runs at top speed, or thinking about a note and just being able to sing it with like ease and power and accuracy, or singing an entire set on a stage with a voice that doesn't get tired. Whoa. So we're just gonna dive right in. Let's go. So the exercise we're gonna be working up to is gonna sound like this. Whoa. And when we get to sing it really fast, it's really fun. It's like, whoa. You can style it, you can have fun with it, you can do all kinds of things. But we're gonna start by building it up slowly. So we're gonna learn the first half first. We're gonna begin here on A below middle C, and if you are a low voice or a male singer, you can join me 1 octave lower. And we're gonna be singing 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Just that part of it, just the ascending section. And just to make it easier, let's put a word on it. We're gonna go with B as in book. So just the B part. It'll be like this. B, 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 and then we will ascend. B, 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 b. If you want to try, whoa, you are more than welcome to, but is easier to be accurate with. And we'll head back down. I'm going to speed up a little bit. 2 more. I lied. Now 1 more. Famous last words of every vocal coach or music teacher is 1 more time. Okay, so that's the first half of the pattern. Now let's look at the second half of the pattern. The second half of the pattern is going to sound like this. Or you could think 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. And it can really be a mind bender at first. So don't feel distressed if this takes you a little while to get the hang of. Totally normal. The more times you listen to this and just try, the easier it's going to become, I promise. This one was really challenging for me. It took me a long time to learn it, but that's part of what makes it amazing. Okay, so let's do this together. And we'll move it up. And again, you're welcome to sing, whoa, whatever feels best for you. Whoa. 2 more up, and then we'll head down. Whoa. 1 more. Whoa. Heading down. Whoa. Whoa. You can sing a different word like mum, 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 mum. That's fun. Mum, 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 mum. And last one. Mum, 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 mum. So just as a little side note, anytime you change up the word that you sing or the vowel consonant combination, it actually gives you a bit of a different experience as you go through. The sound's gonna feel different in your body, which is why it's such a good idea to use a variety of sounds when you're doing exercises. So if you were to sing this as a run, the goal would be the whoa, probably. It could really be on any word. But when we add a vowel consonant combination, it just helps to give you something to grab onto as you're working on your pitch accuracy. So try lots of things. Try buh, try go, try mum, try foo. It could be anything really, just have fun with it. So now let's put this all together. So this is sort of the final step. And we're gonna blend those 2 patterns. So it's gonna sound like which is really impressive, and we're definitely focusing on pitch accuracy here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of numbers. So depending on how you learn, it may be helpful to just kind of listen to this a few times and just allow your ears to kind of get used to how that sounds. We also have a practice for you. If you're a Singeo member, you're going to be able to access that. You're just going to press play and it's going to play it for you so you can get used to it that way. Take your time getting to know the pattern. We'll start slow. Let's go back to B. So we're going to go B, 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 breathe. A little faster. A couple more. I'm going to move to whoa. Strong first note. Whoa. Couple more. Whoa. Two more. Whoa. Last one. Whoa. That was a good workout, and I hope that you sang through those with me. Now, the next step will be to bring this up to speed. And everybody's going to be at a different place with this. I feel like what we just worked on was a pretty swift tempo, but ideally, whoa is kind of where I'd love for you to set the goalpost. It might take time, and that's okay. The key to getting faster at singing runs is to start slowly. Develop the muscle memory, develop accuracy at a slow speed, and then you gradually increase and increase and increase. And that's one of the great things about the tool for practicing this inside Singeo is you are in control of the tempo, so the piano will play for you at whatever speed you're working on this song at. So the goal is, whoa, and eventually you can throw some style on there. Whoa, there's a little vocal fry. Whoa, vibrato, I'm hanging out there for a minute. Whoa. And I sped the last two notes up. I kind of played with the rhythm a little bit. And this is where you get to be creative. Because once you've developed the accuracy and the speed, you've just also developed control. And when you have control, that's where you get to practice adding in those fun things, like the style, like the vocal fry, like hanging on to a note, adding vibrato. Maybe you lean in and bring some dynamics to it. The whole scope of things that's possible with this exercise is endless. And that's what I love about practice, is that it doesn't have to be the same old boring thing every time. When you sit down to practice as a vocalist, your instrument is here, you're in control of it. So the more you practice, the more you develop those muscles, the more you're going to be able to bring your creativity to these things. And so I highly encourage you to put your own spin on this. Get curious about what you can do. Have fun adding style. Get dramatic. Move your body around while you're practicing and have some fun. So, questions? Comment below and have fun singing.